Good day everyone, myself Tripti Mishra. Today we are going to discuss class 8 science chapter number 5 coal and petroleum. This is part 3 video in which we are discussing about petroleum. As you all know that petroleum is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesels. Petroleum and diesels are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Here in this picture, it is shown extracting petroleum from oil field. So first we will discuss about the important points of petroleum. It is a clear, green or black colored oily liquid matter. It can be either thin like gasoline or thick like tar. It has a hostile smell. It is a mixture of petroleum gas, lubricating oil, diesel, petrol, paraffin wax and many other constituents. Due to its wide range of uses in several industries, it is also known as black gold. Now we will discuss about the formation of petroleum. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. So, in the points we can write, this fossil fuel is formulated from the dead sea plants and animals. As they died, their bodies settled down in the bottom surface of the sea. With the passage of time, they get compressed as more layers of sand and clay deposited over them. Under high temperature and pressure, along with the absence of air, these dead plants slowly got converted to petroleum and natural gases. Formation of petroleum can also be shown by the help of this line diagram. As first we can see the picture of the sea animals and plants. Sea plants and animals, as they die, their body settle down at bottom of sea. With passage of time, they get compressed due to layer of sand and clay deposited over them. Under high pressure and temperature, in absence of air, these dead plants and animals slowly gets converted to petroleum and natural gas. And at last we get the petroleum. Petroleum consists of several constituents as mentioned above. They need to be separated from the crude oil by a series of processes. This process of the separation of the wide variety of constituents of petroleum is called refining of petroleum, carried out in petroleum refineries. This figure shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. You see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above than that of water. Can you guess why it is above the water? Because the density of water is more than the density of oil and gas. Gas is lighter, that's why it is upside. Oil's density is less than water, that's why oil is also always up to the water, and that's why we can say oil and gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it, that's why they are found upside the water. Here we should also know that the world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was struck at a Makum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, Hai and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituents or fraction of petroleum is known as refining of petroleum. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery which is shown in the figure. Various constituents of petroleum and their uses are shown in this table. In the first column, it is serial number. Second column, constituent of petroleum. And third column is about the uses. So first is petroleum gas in liquid form, that is called LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Its use is fuel for home and industry. Second constituent of petroleum is petrol, which is used for motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning, etc. Third constituent of petroleum is kerosene. It is used as fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Next constituent of petroleum is diesel. It is used as fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Fifth constituent of petroleum is lubricating oil, which is used for the lubrication. Sixth is paraffin wax, which is used in the ointments, candles, vaselines, etc. The seventh constituent of petroleum is bitumen, which is used in the paints and road surfacing. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers like polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., polythene and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers like urea. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. So, we can summarize the uses of petroleum as petroleum is the form of gasoline or petrol is used to power internal combustion engines. In its thickest form, it is used for empowerment of roads as a water repellent and in roofing. They are used in many manufacturing industries like in manufacturing detergents, fibers, polythene and man-made plastics. Here in the pictures also shown petroleum used in the vehicles and petroleum used for manufacturing plastics. So friends, that was all about the petroleum, formation of petroleum, refining of petroleum, various constituents of petroleum and their uses. So, if this video is beneficial for you, please share it with your other friends also. Also subscribe my YouTube channel NCERT Science Mantra. Thanks for watching the video.